To fix orange or yellow screen filter issue on the Motorola Signature, first we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to Display. In Display Settings, we should be able to find Night Light, and usually this is the reason why this screen is so yellow or orange, so we can just turn it off. What you can also do is you can go into that option and you can adjust the intensity so you can make it less orange. And also we have a schedule option, so you might want to check if the schedule is created, so you won't be surprised when the option turns itself back on later on. Besides that, you can also check the colors option in case the nightlight is not the reason. So if you go to colors, you can for example set the display to have natural colors, which are a little bit more yellowish. And for example, if you use the warm color palette, then of course you might feel like the screen is too orange for something. So you can set this color palette to default, and you can for example switch to vivid colors instead of using the natural. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.